As finals come around, many students wonder what their exams will bring and have exam anxiety. But I interviewed a few students to help you do better on your exams and to get in those last final grades that you really need for the end of the semester.
Diners with work, stagnation.
I'm Meredith Volk, and I'm a business undecided major and currently a sophomore.
What study tips do you have for students for exams for next week?
Definitely go to all your classes. Make sure you go to every single class. You need to study a lot, and if you ever miss anything, you need to email your teachers.
Your child be clear the changes in Soviet society.
Hi, I'm Alex Chakis. I'm a sophomore, and I am a social worker.
What do you think is the hardest part of ending the semester strong with university students?
Probably just trying to take all your finals and all the tests that are cumulative, so you have to go back into the beginning of the semester and remember everything throughout the whole semester, plus a new unit that you just learned, so that's probably the hardest.
No matter what finals week brings, students should all be happy to return home to their family and friends.